Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for taking a little bit of time out of it to come and watch me learn how to pour paint. I am super thankful that you're here. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Let's have some fun pouring some paint. Okay, so I have already flooded my piece of wood. This is another one of those pieces of wood that Honey got for me. They're actually from in our pantry. The people who lived here before us had put these thick wooden dividers on stands even. So they took up probably a good 2 inches on the shelf where you couldn't actually put things because these great big dividers were in them. So I had him take those down, and they weren't even attached to anything. So the only value that they would have is if you put heavy enough stuff on the shelf above so that it weighted down the shelf to make it touch the support underneath. So there was no purpose to them, whatever. But I ended up with these beautiful chunks of wood. This one he's cut in a diamond shape. I told him, just give me something that's not square for a change. He doesn't have anything that he can cut rounds with, unfortunately. But he can cut all kinds of interesting shapes for me. He's got this one here, and this will become a trivet. This will make a beautiful trivet for somebody's house. I think with them being wood, they're too heavy to hang, right? So, I mean, they'd be quite heavy to hang. I suppose you could. I'll be felting the back of them. I won't be putting anything to hang them on, but I will be felting the back after I sign them. Anyway, so I'm going to do a line across here. The colors I'm using are my custom aqua. I'm using the Hunter Green. These are all, of course, Deco Art paints. Hunter Green. I'm using the African Violet, and I'm using the Tropical Blue and the Peacock Blue. And then I also have a purplish color that was made by mixing, it was Copenhagen Blue and Christmas Red. I don't know how purple that actually will show for you in the camera, but it's purple-ish. I mean, it's purple. It's obviously purple. Not as dark maybe as I would have liked, but so anyway, I'm going to pour a line, and then I'm going to flood it on either side because I don't know if I have quite enough white down there to make the paint move easily, and then I'm going to blow it out with my fabulous bendy straw. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, so here it is all done. Let's go in for a close-up. Sorry, you're getting my shadow there. I think it turned out beautifully. I've got a couple of smaller trivets that could go with it as a set. It would make a beautiful set. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, subscribe. If you have a comment, please leave it for me. I would love that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.